This is a love story of Miss Sip and Mr. Downmarket. This is Miss Sip. She likes commitment and is in it for the long haul. And this is Mr. Downmarket. He tends to fluctuate. They share an unusual relationship because in the 40 years of their relationship, she has met him for only 10 years. She pines for him when he is not around, and they yearn to be together. When they do meet, there is true love. But there are some, like Mr. Panic, Mr. Fear, and Mr. Angry, who want to tear them apart and stop their relationship. That's very sad. But there are some, like Miss Commitment, who understand their love and want to see them together. They know the two aren't happy without each other. They know that the love that she gives Mr. Downmarket is true and strong. It makes him happy. And the extra units he gives to her makes her feel protected. Their commitment grows stronger. He becomes happier, and then one fine day, he becomes Mr. Upmarket, and she becomes Miss Cheerful. Let's make a promise to never separate the two. Stay committed to your SIP, and don't forget, while the upmarket can make it happen, the downmarket is where the real opportunity lies. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.